Good morning, Pilipinas! Andito ako sa Quezon City, sa Citadines QC. And this is my view. Residential area. Look yung mga houses dito. Like ito. Pwede ko siyang isang normal house here. Stock natin. But yeah, this is my 5th day here. 4th day. Nice, hindi traffic. Yeah, malapit to sa China Roses. Still early, like 11. Well, not early anymore, but still morning, 11 a.m. That is a very good location, house location. Tindahan ba yun? Nakakamiss ang sari-sari store. Yung bang sa neighbors mo. Mga neighbors mo may sarili na silang convenience store. Pwede kang bumili ng mga tingi-tingi. Yung mga retail, like for example, you can buy yung bottle of soy sauce. You just need to bring glass and then just buy any amount that whatever money you have, small money you have, you can just buy. Hindi sila yung mga purong buong bote. There's a lot of like that in the province. Ito mga apartment style. There's someone there. But it's a nice apartment. Cleaning siya, nagdidilig. It's a nice morning. It's a nice day. Hindi pa ako makalabas masyado. I have a headache today. I'm not considering it's bad headache, but it is like will not allow me to go out to do something outside. Yeah. So this is the normal residential area in the Philippines, here in Manila, especially here in Quezon City. Yeah, that is nice building. I don't know which one. Pero syempre, if you are in BGC, if you are in Makati, lahat yan mga ganito. Lahat mga building na ganyan. Kaya I'm saying na this is like parang residential area pa kasi kapag nasa city ka talaga ng like Makati, puros ganito, wala kang makikita maliliit na bahay kasi puros buildings like this. I don't know what part of town is that, but still, I think it's still Quezon City. Pero this is a very quiet neighborhood. Look that house. They have their own basketball court sa rooftop. I think it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the fourth level is the basketball court. That's so nice. But they really need to have like a net there to make sure that they have a net. Or else they will lose the ball. So they need to keep it inside the rings, inside the house, or inside the net. Para hindi tumbling. Oh, they have some of the houses there. They have solar. They have solar panel. At least nag-start na rin. Most of the houses in Las Vegas are with solar panel. So hopefully here in the Philippines, they will start using also, because of course they can save all of. Oh, this one, I don't know what it is, but lahat to solar panel. That's awesome. Marami na rin pala. Ayan, this house also. Very good. Yes, it's a good thing to know na nag-start na. Sana dumami pa. Na hindi na kami nakaasa sa gas that we are indenting from Arab countries, and now during war we are really suffering. Everything is just so expensive here. This is cute. But actually, yeah, some of the houses here, they're already using it like for business, like restaurants, small store. So this is balay. Hindi ko mabasa. But see, it's just an apartment, but parang na siyang business. Hindi ko mabasa. Balay something. Tatabog na ng puno. And I hope din, dumating yung time na para naman maganda sa taas. Alam mo yung may uniformity with regards sa mga roof. Parang pare-pareho ng color. That's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be look pretty. But, yeah. May malaking bahay din talaga doon, no? Ang laki ng house niya, kasi ang ng parking niya. Sobrang dalang na ng ganyan dito, na may malaki kang lot. Kasi nga, sobrang mahal na rin dito ng lupa sa Maynila. Of course, sad to say, there's a lot of, this is like nice residential. Because there's a lot of squatter also. Yung squatters talaga, oh my gosh, I feel bad for them. Small houses na, yeah, small houses, miserable life sa mga squatter. Parang it's not about miserable, sorry for the word, but not safe talaga. Not safe for the kids, for everyone. And yeah, I think that was Quezon City. Ayan, Makati pa to. Yung part na yun, yung maraming medyo na, malabo na, foggy sa part na yun. Maraming mga building sa part na yun. And may mga bundok doon na makikita nyo. I don't know what part of the city is that, or not part of Luzon. Kasi bundok, so NCR pa rin naman. Correct me if I'm wrong. So that's good for now. Good morning, Pilipinas!